Good day, learners. I am Maria Juvi Pamikala, a BPED 1 student, and for today's topic, I am going to discuss the life cycle of a bird. Birds are flying, warm-blooded vertebrates that have in excess of 10,400 species that fall under the class Aves. They have two eyes, a four-chambered heart like human beings, and four limbs adjusted into the padded wings. In this topic, you will learn about what the life cycle of a bird and the bird life cycle stages in detail. Let us first learn to describe the life cycle of the bird. Stage 1. The egg. All birds start their lives inside an egg. For the most part, which is a white, yellow, hard-shelled covering outside the developing birds undevelop embryo. The number of eggs laid and the size of eggs differ starting with one species then until the next. A few birds lay one egg while different birds lay more than one egg. Stage 2. The hatchling. After the bird has come out of the egg, the newly hatched bird is known as a hatchling. A hatchling is covered in the soft features and can fly in this stage. Because of its vulnerable nature, a hatchling becomes prey to numerous huge predators. They need extraordinary parental management to grow and develop in this stage. Stage 3. The nestling. In this stage, the bird attempts to fly and show certain flight qualities. At the point when a nestling builds up its flight capacities and is set up to take its first flight, the bird is known as fledgling. Stage 4. The fledgling. A fledgling has completely developed lumps and solid muscle wings. Despite the fact that they have every one of these highlights, fledglings are still under the consideration of their folks for at some point. In this stage, the bird flies out of the nest, yet not at significant distances. The time span of this stage in birds changes, starting with one stage, then unto the next. Stage 5. The juvenile. Juvenile birds leave the nest and are free to fly. In this stage, the juvenile bird experiences its first plumage and looks more like an adult. A plumage is the layer of quills that covers the exoskeleton of a bird. The juvenile birds are unequipped for reproducing in this stage. The plumage in this stage is soft and gets supplanted after periods of shedding. Stage 6. The adult. The adult bird has conclusive plumage and explicitly mature. In this stage, the bird can meet and perform rearing. From the musical hummingbird to flamingos, birds are the most lovely and charming species on the planet. They live in each nook and corner of the world as they get by in any brutal conditions. From solidified scenes of Antarctica to sticky timberlands of South America, birds exist in all of the places of the world.